civil danger warning until 2:30 a.m. Tune to channel 115 for the emergency alert details.
This is the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. The West Virginia State Police have issued a civil danger warning until 2:30 a.m. for the following counties or states: Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Indiana, Kentucky, Maryland, Washington, D.C. This includes the following impacts: winds in excess of 110 miles per hour, wind gusts in excess of 180 miles per hour, hail size of 5.5 inches in diameter, power outages lasting up to 21 days. Widespread uprooted trees of up to 75 feet tall, flooding of 2 feet of rainfall likely, flooded roads are likely. If you encounter a flooded road, find a deeper route, turn around, don't drown. If in a vehicle or a mobile home, seek a nearby underground shelter. This storm is producing tornadoes of up to F4 rating. If evacuating, it is recommended that you take the following items: flashlights, batteries, a hand-cranked or battery-powered radio, cell phones, cell phone chargers, prescribed medications, insurance documents, and other safety equipment you may need. Leave the cell phone line open. If possible, the cell phone line needs open for emergency responders, along with the National Weather Service. Evacuation may become mandatory soon. Stay tuned to channel 115 or WX 162.450 MHz for upcoming emergency alerts.
Normal programming will resume momentarily.